Welcome back to StoryTalk FM, the place where you can improve your English through real-life conversations and inspiring stories. Today's story is called A Stranger Changes My Life. Have you ever met someone who changed the way you think? Someone who appeared in your life at exactly the right moment? In today's episode, Emma and Alex meet by chance in a coffee shop. Alex is struggling after losing his job and feels completely lost. But a simple conversation with a stranger may change everything. Listen carefully, learn new English expressions, and enjoy this heartwarming story. Now, let's begin.
Hi, is this seat taken?
Alex.
No, not at all. Please, have a seat.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I hope you don't mind me saying this, but you look a little worried.
Is it that obvious?
A little.
Well, I've had a difficult week.
I'm sorry to hear that.
It's okay. Life happens, I guess.
True, but sometimes talking helps.
Maybe. I don't usually talk to strangers.
Neither do I, but today feels different.
That's interesting.
I'm Emma, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Alex. So, what brings you to this coffee shop?
I work nearby. I come here whenever I need a quiet place to think.
That's nice.
What about you?
Honestly, I came here because I didn't know where else to go.
That sounds serious.
It is.
Do you want to talk about it?
I lost my job 3 weeks ago.
Oh, yeah. That must be hard. Harder than I expected. I've been working for that company for almost 7 years.
7 years is a long time.
Exactly. I thought I had a stable future.
What happened?
The company reduced staff. They said it wasn't personal, just business.
That doesn't make it hurt less.
No, it doesn't.
How have you been dealing with it?
Not very well.
Why do you say that?
Alex, I've been staying home most days, watching videos, sleeping too much, thinking too much.
Anna, that sounds exhausting.
It is. Every morning I wake up feeling lost.
I understand that feeling.
Really?
Yes.
You don't seem like someone who struggles.
Trust me, I've had my struggles.
What happened?
5 years ago, I lost almost everything.
Everything?
My job, my apartment, and my confidence.
Wow.
At that time, I thought my life was over.
What did you do?
At first, I cried.
Fair enough.
Then, I felt angry.
I know that feeling.
Then, I spent months blaming myself.
It's exactly what I'm doing right now.
And that's why I know it doesn't help.
Easier said than done.
Absolutely.
So what changed?
One day, I asked myself a simple question.
What was it? Do I want to stay miserable or do I want to move forward? That's a powerful question. It changed everything.
How?
Because I realized nobody was coming to save me.
That's true.
My future was my responsibility.
So, what was your first step?
I started learning new skills.
Like what?
Online courses, communication skills, digital marketing, public speaking.
Were you good at them?
Not at first. I was terrible.
Really?
Really.
That's hard to imagine. Trust me, growth looks ugly in the beginning.
I like that sentence.
It's true.
Sometimes I feel like I'm too old to start over.
How old are you?
34.
34?
Yes!
Alex, that's not old.
It feels old when you're unemployed.
That's your fear talking.
Maybe.
Let me ask you something.
Sure.
If your best friend lost his job at 34, would you tell him his life is over?
No,
Why not?
because it wouldn't be true.
Exactly.
Emma, we are often kinder to others than we are to ourselves.
That's a good point.
What kind of work did you do?
I worked in customer service.
That's valuable experience.
It doesn't feel valuable right now.
Skills don't disappear because a company lets you go.
I never thought about it that way.
Think about everything you've learned over 7 years.
Communication, problem solving, teamwork.
See?
I guess I do have skills.
Of course you do.
Maybe I've been focusing too much on what I lost.
That's normal.
And not enough on what I still have.
Exactly.
You know, this is the first real conversation I've had in weeks.
Really?
Most people just say, you'll be fine.
Sometimes people mean well, but they don't know what to say.
True.
What do you want for your future?
I don't know anymore.
If fear didn't exist, what would you do?
That's a difficult question.
Take your time.
Honestly,
Yes.
I've always wanted to start my own business.
Really?
Yes.
What kind of business?
An online customer support agency.
That sounds interesting.
But it feels risky.
Most dreams do. What's stopping you?
Fear of failure.
Failure is part of success.
Everyone says that.
Because it's true.
Have you failed?
Many times.
Tell me one example.
My first business lasted 4 months.
What happened?
Nobody bought my services.
Ouch.
Exactly.
How did you feel?
Embarrassed. Alex? Did you quit?
For a while.
Then what?
Then I realized failure was teaching me lessons.
Like what?
How to improve, how to adapt, how to be patient.
That's smart.
Success isn't the opposite of failure.
It's not?
No, success is built from failure. I've never heard it explained like that. Think about babies learning to walk.
Okay.
They fall hundreds of times,
That's true.
but nobody calls them failures.
Because they're learning.
Exactly.
Maybe adults forget that.
We do.
You know, I came here feeling hopeless.
And now,
A little less hopeless.
that's progress.
Small progress?
Small progress is still progress.
I needed to hear that.
Good.
Do you ever still feel afraid?
Every week.
Really?
Absolutely.
I thought confident people weren't afraid.
Confidence isn't the absence of fear.
Then what is it?
Taking action despite fear.
Wow.
Fear will always exist.
That's comforting in a strange way.
Why?
Because I thought something was wrong with me.
Nothing is wrong with you.
I'm just scared.
Exactly.
And scared people can still move forward?
Yes.
I wish I had met you earlier.
Maybe we met at the right time.
Maybe.
Can I give you a challenge?
Sure.
Tomorrow morning, update your resume.
Okay.
Then, apply for 3 jobs.
3.
3.
Done.
And spend 1 hour learning a new skill.
1 hour.
That's all.
That sounds manageable.
Good.
What if I don't feel motivated?
Do it anyway.
That's harsh.
Motivation comes and goes.
True.
Discipline stays.
I need more discipline.
Everyone does.
You sound like a coach.
Maybe I missed my calling. Let me ask you something.
Go ahead.
What are you grateful for today?
Take your time. I'm grateful for my family. That's wonderful. They support me even when I feel useless.
You're not useless.
I know, but sometimes it feels that way.
What else?
I'm grateful for my health.
Good.
And strangely enough,
What?
I'm grateful I came to this coffee shop.
Me too.
This conversation helped me.
I'm glad.
You know, I was starting to believe my story was over.
It's not over.
Maybe it's just a new chapter.
Exactly.
A chapter I didn't choose.
Some of the best chapters begin that way.
That's beautiful.
Thank you.
Do you think people can truly change their lives?
Absolutely.
Even after major setbacks?
Especially after major setbacks.
Why especially?
Because difficult times force us to grow.
That makes sense.
Comfort rarely changes people.
Struggle does.
Exactly.
I never thought losing my job could teach me anything.
What has it taught you so far?
That my identity shouldn't depend on a company.
That's a powerful lesson.
and that I need to believe in myself more.
Another powerful lesson.
Maybe this experience isn't completely negative.
I don't think it is.
It's still painful.
Growth often is.
But maybe it's necessary?
Maybe.
You know what?
What?
I think I'm gonna start planning that business idea.
That's exciting.
Not instead of finding a job.
Right.
But alongside it,
That's a smart approach.
for the first time in weeks, I feel hopeful.
Hold on to that feeling.
I will.
And remember, progress doesn't happen overnight.
I'll try to be patient.
Good.
Emma,
Yes?
thank you
For what?
for talking to a stranger.
Sometimes strangers become exactly the people we need.
I think that's true.
I think so too.
Before today, I thought losing my job was the end of my story. And now?
Now I think it might be the beginning of something better.
I believe it is.
You really do, don't you?
I do.
Then maybe I should believe it too.
That's the spirit.
Tomorrow starts a new chapter.
And I'm excited for you.
Thank you, Emma.
You're welcome, Alex.
I came into this coffee shop feeling lost,
And you're leaving?
with hope.
That's a wonderful place to start.
It really is.
Good luck, Alex.
Good luck to you too, Emma.
Maybe we'll meet again someday.
I hope so.
Take care.
You too.
And that brings us to the end of today's story. Sometimes one conversation can change a person's life. A few kind words, a little encouragement, and someone who is willing to listen can make a big difference. We hope you enjoyed listening to Emma and Alex's story and learned some useful English along the way. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to grow, and every ending can be the beginning of something new. If you enjoyed this episode, please like this video, subscribe to StoryTalk FM, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English conversation story. Thank you for listening, keep learning, keep growing, and we'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye, and take care.